Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off two-step verification on the Microsoft account. First thing you do is log in or sign into your Microsoft account. It can be through the app or through the website. The next thing, click on security on the left hand side. So next, click on manage how I sign in. Then you see two-step verification, click on manage. So I'm not manage, let's go down over here. Yes, click on under additional security, click on turn off. Okay, you want to turn it off, click on yes. And it's as simple as that. It has been turned off. That is how to turn off two-step verification on Microsoft Word. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.